Hi, it's Noe with WTI. If you've been on the hunt for a quality ceiling fan, then check out this low profile ceiling fan from Viossn. One of my favorite things is that this ceiling fan is super quiet. This ceiling fan is absolutely beautiful. I love the squared edges, which gives it a unique look. It's great that it came with a remote control, and I love that Viossn provided a little caddy for it so that we never lose it. The remote has 6 speeds, 1 through 6. It's really great that the motor is reversible. So whether you're using this ceiling fan in the winter or summer, you can circulate the air in the direction you need. I'm most excited to use this in the summer as we have central air to be able to circulate the air evenly. The installation of this fan was a breeze. I would recommend that 2 people install it. Because of the weight of the fan, it does make it easier for one to hold it while the other one works at installing it. This fan also does come with a timing mode, so you can set it for 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. The light mode is also dimmable, so whether you want a brighter light or a lower dimmable light, you have that option with this remote. So if you're looking for something that's quiet, easy to install, and has a gorgeous modern look to it, then I would highly recommend this low profile ceiling fan from Viossn. And that's my point of view.